Now I'm just copying the another table like proc SQL. Create a table class 1 as select name, age, height from demo and quit. So now you can see I have this class 1 table in my work library. Suppose I want to drop this table from work library. So for that, we will not drop the table. Okay. So here we will write the program proc SQL to drop which table I want to drop. Drop table class 1 quit. So now you can see class 1 and demo is available in my work library. Here I have written the drop statement. Now you can see the table is dropped.